is Padmaja Kuppad. I head up an organization called the Indian Angel Network, which is India's first and I think now Asia's largest angel investor group. I have been a part of the entrepreneurial ecosystem of India for now over a decade and a half. Helped operationalize TIE, the largest entrepreneur organization in the world, revive the Indian Venture Capital and Private Equity Association, which is the oldest organization in the country for VCs, and now brought a dream of bringing angel investment to India as a concept to something what it is today, which is the largest. So I'm elated to be talking to you because I think entrepreneurship in India has really grown, and one of the very key factors that bring the country into play of entrepreneurship is that it has created not only an alternate career path for many entrepreneurs and many youngsters in the country, but it has also brought people who've succeeded to become mentors and actually put in money, which is where the angel investors come in. What I really see as a business plan competition, which Dosti is trying to do, and I'm really elated and excited about being part of this, because these are competitions which bring exposure to the entrepreneurs. It brings them understanding of how competing the world can be when they go entrepreneurial in real life, and most importantly, they bring them the mentors that they can help them grow, handhold them, and guide them. We do this for a living on a day in and day out at IAN. As I invest and as I mentor companies, this is something which I think is of immense value. We've seen some of the best companies grow out of this kind of mentoring and financial value add that they give, but I think also exposing them to a number of people gets them the best value instead of just what is available. Dosti is trying to do the same thing, and I'm excited that it's happening across two neighbors and two countries which are so near yet so far apart. And I just sincerely hope that this is a new track, a new bridge that we are able to build between our two countries. It is a track which is beyond politics, it is a track which is beyond geographies, it is a track which is bringing two cultures, two markets, two entrepreneurs and two business ecosystems together. I don't think there could be a better track for us to bring back our relationships to a more stable and a more productive ecosystem in this Southeast Asian part of the continent.